Hello everyone, my name is Aniket Raj and welcome to Tech Pixels. Today's topic is electricity. So, everybody knows that what is electric current, what is voltage, what is electricity. So, today I'm going to tell you and show you that how to make the simplest circuit in the world, making a bulb glow. So actually making a bulb glow is very simple. The bulbs which are in your house, which are present in your house, which glows, is actually made simply. If you want to make this as a circuit, it would be as simple as just making any writing with a pen. So it is very much simple. So there are some things that differ, but the things are similar. So the materials that you need are one bulb, which is obviously compulsory because you are making a bulb glowing circuit. Then you can take a small bulb holder as per the size of the bulb. If you have bigger bulb, you will need a bigger bulb holder, or else if you have this small bulb, you need this bulb holder. So bulb holder sizes, shapes and colors also differ, but it is the working of the circuit and the flow of the current does not differ on the basis of color, size or shape. Then you need a cell, a working battery or cell. This is a battery, you can see right here. This is a cell holder, and these are the wires coming out from the cell holder. So we know that black is the negative terminal and red is the positive terminal. Black, we can remember it easily that black is a negative terminal, because it is very simple to learn. If you know that what is a battery, what is a cell, and where the positive and negative terminals are. So here you can see at a bulb it is written like this. I will show you in my camera. Here it is the positive terminal. You can see the plus sign if you cannot. So at that side you have the red wire. It indicates as the red, or not red terminal, but the positive terminal. So this is the positive terminal, and here you have the negative terminal. You can see here. So it has black wire coming out of it. So this is how negative and positive terminal works. It is just like a magnet. The negative and positive terminals always attract, always connects, but the same terminals like positive and negative cannot be connected. It is just like a magnet. So you need a cell holder, a bulb holder and a bulb. So it is very simple. You can also take a circuit breaker. That will be so expensive also, and it is not so much easily available. And you can also take switches, but I'm not having switches, so I'm not making it by switches. I will make the bulb glow continuously. So first of all, you have to fit this bulb inside the bulb holder like this, so that it tightly, unless it is not getting fitted, you have to fit it. Now you can see a bulb is also a simple light emitting thing. There are many bulbs like LED bulbs. LED means light emitting diode. So you can see it is not an LED bulb. So there are many types: fluorescent clarifier bulb. So there are CFLs and LED. So LED consumes less energy than CFLs. So this you can see in the bulb figure. If you have seen the bulb figure anywhere, you can see here that there is a two wires coming out of inside the bulb. So that two wires are the filaments. You know that the filament is made up of tungsten, and by heating of the filament, the bulb glows. If the filament will break down, so the bulb will not glow. And it is made up of tungsten. It is a metal. So you have just a simple things. You have filament, you have bulb, and if you will see in the old time bulbs, like they don't have like this, they have yellow colors they have a light of yellow color, if you will have seen in the villages. So after switching them on after 1 to 2 minutes or at least 30 seconds, if you will see if that filament, if the bulb have filament, that bulb will heat up easily and more fast. It will be heat up when you will make and touch it, you will feel hot. So, and that is the reason. So you have seen many, there are many questions that if the filament heats up, so it is there is a chance of the bulb to melt or break or blast. So there is a one thing called fuse, which does not allow the bulb to reach the stage of the melting or burning. But fuse, it has a fuse, so that if anything goes wrong, it will automatically and immediately switch off the current. And there is also a device called miniature circuit breaker, means MCB. If you have gone in the generator area, which we call generator in old homes, so in that area you will see fuse and as well as the MCB. So let's start with the circuit. So I have put this bulb in this. Now I have cell with this. Make sure to properly align this bulb cell, and make sure that you bulb the cell works. If it will not work, so the circuit will not work. So we have red means positive terminal and black means negative terminal. So I have to connect anywhere the negative. You can connect anywhere the negative terminal also, and anywhere the negative and positive terminals. So first I have to connect the negative terminal. I can connect like this. In these two holes, you can see in these two holes you have to put this wire like this, like you are stitching a cloth, like when it will go this out. So when the wire will touch this metal partner, so it will automatically glow. So I will put this here at the back, and then I have the positive terminal. Let me put this in positive one, sorry. And when I will put this, I think that my circuit will work. Wait, I know how it will work. Like this, it will glow. So this is how it is working. If you will see, I am putting this wire in this, and see. Wait, I will reveal this. It is working. So this is how you can create a simple circuit. Like sometimes it happens that the electricity goes off, so you can generate your own simple bulb circuit and light source, so that you don't need torches, modern torches. It is very simple to make. And when I am putting my hand on this, it is not that hot, but it will become hot because this is an filament bulb. But the wires are getting hot, I don't know why. So I also want to tell you some properties of this. Like, you have known the word resistance. So resistance, when the resistance, if you are making a resistor, you should know that when the resistor, if you put a resistor in a circuit, so the resistance, if the resistance will be high, the heating effect of the current will be also high. If you don't know heating effect, so the heating of the wire due to its heating properties or heating substances, like if you will continuously let a bulb glow like for 5 to 6 hours, you will see that the bulb is getting hot as well as the wire. So that heating effect will also go. If you put 7 to 8 resistors, so it will it will become hot more and faster. So if the resistance is high, the heating effect also is also high. When the resistance is low, the heating effect is also low. So I have made this simple circuit. You can also make this simple circuit. It is very simple to make. You have bulb, you have a bulb holder, you have a cell, you have a cell holder, you have positive and negative wires. Just you can make it. You can also have a switch with the positive or negative wires, so that the bulb can be made easily. If you want, you can switch off. If you want, it is turning on on. So was a simple and a great project to make. You can also make like the fans, or for the fans, and the project motors with the motors, registers, etc. So if you want more videos upon these kind of topics on electricity, and want me to explain the electricity chapter, so subscribe Tick Pixels and like this video. Also share, so that everybody can know how to make a simple circuit which can be helpful for many.